Did you know that in 1800, 50% of all Americans were farming? In 1945, 45% of all Americans grew their food in their backyard gardens. In 2020, less than a tenth of 1% of Americans grew their food in their backyard. I think now, based upon the current world situation, getting back to our roots is a must. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to plant some different brassicas today in our new Giga planters that we got from Vigo. They're real sturdy, made of hard plastic, and I should be able to get a pretty decent germination rate with them. I'll put a link for them up on this screen. We're going to plant 9 different types of brassicas, primarily cabbages, and a few broccoli and some mustards. The first one we're going to plant is a variety called Green Boy cabbage. We got it from Urban Farmer. And as you know, with brassica seeds, for the most part, they are extremely small. So all I'm going to do is use my index finger, make a little indentation into the soil. The soil, by the way, has already been pre-moistened. So I'm going to drop 2 or 3 seeds in each hole or indentation. And just like that, we have them in. Pressing down to make sure that they are touching the soil firmly. And we're going to insert our label. Next one we're going to do is a variety called All Season Cabbage. And just like with the first set, we're going to do a little indentation. Okay. And we have the label for this one. I'm gonna put it in the middle. Next one we're going to do is a cabbage from Territorial Seeds called Katarina. These seeds are a little bigger than the previous two. Still dropping 3 seeds in. Put our label in. Next one is also from Territorial. This is Ferrero, and takes 65 days to fully mature after planting. Okay, the next two we're going to do are 2 types of broccoli. The first one is Bell Star from Johnny's. The takes about 66 days to harvest. And the next one is a variety called Green Magic, and it takes 57 days. Next one is another cabbage from Urban Farmer, Early Jersey, Wakefield. And again, making sure that they are securely in the soil. And last but not least, the Florida broadleaf mustard. Okay. Next, we're just going to take the vermiculite that I have here, and we're going to lightly cover them. And just like that, we have planted more food, and hopefully we'll get a decent germination rate. We're going to sit this under the grow light, the Vigo planting station that we have, and hopefully they'll come up real soon, and then we'll thin them out and let them continue to grow. And probably sometime in late October, early November, these will be ready to go out, just as the other ones are getting ready to be harvested. So we'll have a continuation or a succession of food being grown, which is what we're striving to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. The key takeaway from this video is that brassicas are not very difficult to grow. As long as you know when to grow them, you're okay. The seeds are the main problem with brassicas to me, is that the seeds are extremely small for such big plants. But you can get through that, plant them correctly when you're supposed to, feed them, and they will in turn feed you over time. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. Do you all plant brassicas during the fall season? If so, what type? Leave me a comment on that, and I will reply to that as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I can't grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. YouTube has this new thing called hype, and go ahead and hype this channel up. It will recommend my channel or this video and get it played more often. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.